dihydronated, whatever you want to call it.
If you buy this car, your teeth will look like this. Use toothpaste.
Or else.
No, that's another commercial.
Okay.
Okay.
So did you film that? Okay. Hi.
Wait, I got it.
You did? Hi, we're from Jack's Lumberjacks. As you can see, we have top priority wood from our backyard. It has layers of beautiful wood for your home convenience.
And good things to knock out women with.
So, if you ever want to play baseball or build a house or stuff like that, call Jack's Lumberjacks.
Jack. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Jack.
I'm on.
Dr. Spiker.
Excuse me. What?
No. But look again.
I'm rolling.
This is what happened to my last patient that forgot to brush.
So, don't forget to brush.
Oh, those darn lottery tickets. You never win anything.
How come we just won?
And now we'll see what the Pee-wees have bought with their winning lottery ticket.
Oh, honey, I can't wait to see our suite. And it's fully furnished. Oh, Erwin, not cheap.
In my favorite color, Tinky.
Oh, it's fully furnished. Erwin, and a camper to go with it. No, camper. Ah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Erwin, my favorite kind of sports car.
And it's a convertible, too.
Oh, I bet you could go up to about 20 with this baby.
Yeah.
Oh, Erwin, a new yacht.
Yeah, and it comes completely with the water, too. Those two, our paddles are out.
Oh, Erwin, look at this piece of junk the Birmingham bought with their lottery money.
Ew. And this dumb interior truck they got. Jeez, why do they want this dumb cushion interior?
Well, we have much better things, Erwin. Let's go home to our suite and enjoy them.